Hey guys, how's it going? How to shop by specific creators on Roblox. So first of all, go ahead and visit the Roblox website or visit the app, and then go ahead and click on the avatar by clicking the three bars at the top left. Click on the avatar right here, and you're gonna make it to the desktop website so you can see, and then type the creator's username or item name in the search bar, and then once the result is folded at the top, you can use the filters to narrow down items by the creator. You can visit specific creators profile directly by searching their username, then click the inventory tab to view their items. Browse through the creators items and click on any you wish to purchase. And then this will allows you to easily find and buy items from a specific creator on Roblox. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.